In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items and groups. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add individual entries to your board and how to create new sections to keep everything organized. Let's start with adding an item. First, open your board. This is the space where your work is organized, and it's usually made up of multiple groups, each containing a list of items. Once your board is open, decide which group you want to add to. At the very bottom of that group, you'll see a button labeled plus add item. Click it. A text field will appear so you can name your new item. Type the item name and press enter to confirm. Keep your item name short, clear, and actionable. Think of it like a headline that tells you exactly what the task or record is. Pressing enter will add it right into that group so it's visible and ready for any further details you might add later. If you ever notice a typo, don't worry, you can always come back and rename the item, so focus on getting the key idea down first. Next, let's add a group, which is great for segmenting your board by stage, priority, category, or any structure that makes sense for your workflow. Scroll to the bottom of the board. There you'll find a button labeled plus add group. Click it. A new group will be created and you'll be prompted to rename it. Give it a clear descriptive title that helps you and your team instantly understand what belongs there. Something like to do, in progress, or a department or project name. Type the name and press enter to save it. Consistent naming helps everyone scan the board quickly and reduces confusion as your board grows. Now that your new group exists, it will appear on the board ready to hold items. When you want to populate it, just use the same plus add item button at the bottom of that group and follow the exact process you used earlier. Click, type the item name, and press enter. That way you build structure with groups and fill them with meaningful items as your work evolves. To recap, open your board, click plus add item at the bottom of a group, type the item name, and press enter. Then when you need a new section, scroll to the bottom of the board, click plus add group, and rename the group to match your organizational needs. That's it. With these simple actions, your board stays clean, navigable, and ready to support your projects. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.